Namaskar. So today I will explain the effect of one specific asana on our intestine. Because in this phase of global crisis, there is common stress, common situation we are facing, and most of people are in stress, and this stress especially affects our intestine and liver. So how to protect our intestine and liver through asana, I will try to explain. The definition of asana, what yogi says, is sthir, sukham, asanam. Sthir is a tranquility and sukham is happiness. Asana is a yoga posture. So the posture that gives us happiness and tranquility in our mind. Happiness is physical and tranquility is mental. So there is two types of rhythm in our life. One rhythm is physical. The physical waves is controlled by inhale and exhale. And psychic rhythm is controlled by this rest. This, what we call tranquility, is very important to affect our mental wave. So same like in pranayama, we inhale, exhale, and we remain in the stage of pause. So the pause is mental and breathe in and out is physical. In our asana, we use inhale, exhale, and the pause. So the pause will affect mentally and inhale and exhale will affect physically. First time in the history of asana, Baba Sri Sri Anandamurti ji included inhale, exhale and pause in the asana. So my purpose of giving this class is to let everyone know how this posture will help our intestine to remain fit and remain clear. So the shape of intestine is like this. So the wall of intestine is not straight, it has curvatures. And in the curvatures, normally there are toxins accumulated. Sometimes when the food habit of people are so acidic, in most cases, this food gets stuck. The acids, gas and the toxins gets stuck in the wall of intestine and it starts spreading gas and acids in the body. So try to understand when this gas and acids stuck in the wall of intestine, the wall of intestine become thick and weak. Sometimes when we defecate with pressure, the wall of the intestine breaks and start releasing blood, which which is called hemorrhoid, or sometimes people call it piles. And same acids and gas when gets accumulated in the joints of our body, there is situation of arthritis. Same gas or acids goes up, there is a headache. Same gas and acids sometimes accumulates in the weak part of body, especially in case of weak people, the intestine or liver gets affected, and in two worst case, if this acids and gas remains in the system long time, the germs, the virus starts creating, generating, and start eating our cells, and various type of diseases, dangerous diseases are coming up, including cancer. So first time in the history, Baba Sri Sri Anandamurti ji introduced asana with inhale, exhale and retention and pause. So I give you one example. When you are in stage of pause or stage of retention, your mental strength becomes strong. Suppose you are running and eating. So your respiration is not in the stage of pause. You can only eat physically. You cannot enjoy the taste. So inhale and exhale is eating, enjoying taste is retention. Suppose you are running and reading book. Maybe physically you can read book, but mentally you cannot understand the meaning. So the retention is mental and inhale exhale is physical. So two forces, physical and mental, both forces works in our process of asana in Ananda Marga. So to release the toxin from the intestine, to keep the intestine clean, there is a very good asana. We call it Bhastrik Asana. Bhastrik Asana. Remember, this asana always starts from the right leg. Through the right leg, we put pressure first on our intestine, then from left, then from both legs, and following the rhythm of inhale, exhale and retention. Now, first condition is to start this asana from right leg, because our intestine starts from right, continues straight and goes from the left and ends. So we must start this asana from right leg. So when we inhale and exhale, we have pressure physically on the intestine. At the same time, in this course of doing asana, we also have routine to keep retention, keep pause. So mental force also works. Physical and mental both works, both forces are creating vibration on the intestine. Resulting is when there is sufficient vibration on the intestine, on the wall of intestine, all the toxins attached to the walls of intestine gets released and it eliminates. So in this stage of stress, in this stage of global crisis, there is sufficient possibility that your intestine will get more stuck. Your liver will get more affected, because stress and liver are connected. Stress and intestines are connected. So in this phase especially, it is very important for everyone to practice this asana, at least to keep the intestine clean and keep the liver working well. Because when the toxins start generating from intestine, it affects the whole system. So Baba says constipation is not very serious disease, but it can create many serious disease. So we have Dada, one Dada, his name is Dada Yukteshwar, and I will request him to demonstrate this asana, and I think this posture will be helpful for you all. Please, Dada, can you come here? So now Dada Yukteshwar will show this Bhastrika asana. Dada, inhale and keep all the air in your stomach. Exhale and lift your leg, put pressure on your intestine. Be in retention 8 seconds. Inhale and come back to normal position. Exhale, bend left leg and put pressure, same like before, on your intestine for 8 seconds, keeping in retention. Inhale, come back to original position, and exhale, bend both legs and put pressure on intestine and be in retention 8 seconds. Inhale, come back to original position. Exhale, again right leg, put pressure, retention 8 seconds. Inhale, come back. Exhale, next leg, be in retention. Inhale, come back. Exhale, both legs. Inhale and come back. One more round. Exhale, lift right leg. Put pressure, be in retention. Inhale, come back. Exhale, next leg. Inhale, come back. Exhale, both the legs. Inhale, both legs are straight. Relax. So, the rule is this asana we should practice 8 rounds. 1 round means right leg, left leg and both leg together is 1 round. So, this should repeat 8 times, and this asana can cure almost all diseases related to your stomach. So I hope this posture will be helpful for you all, and you all can practice at home. And thank you so much, and thank you Dadaji so much for demonstrating very nice position. And we will come back with next asana next time. Namaskar.